Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Here we're going to show you an old state rig. Got lots of hail on it, but if you're just looking for a cheap truck to work on the farm or on a construction site, and you don't care if it gets beat up, this one's already been beat up. Runs and drives good, mechanically in good shape. Interior's actually in pretty good shape. This is about the worst spot right here. 156,007. We did put a different motor in it. A lower mile motor. I don't remember what it is, but it is less miles than what's on it. Got the vinyl seat, so vinyl floor on the rear, so if you're going to clean it up or going to work, it's easy to clean up. There's your spray-in bed liner. See the old bumper's faded. Four-wheel drive, 5.7 Hemi automatic. Like I said, this side it doesn't look too bad. So if you just look at this side, you park this towards the house, it won't look so bad. But if you're looking for a beater pickup, you won't find a cheaper 16 Ram out there. 605-692-7010.